Welcome to the library. It's a place where I love to be. Look in a book, here's a story for you. Who makes stories when the day is through? Who makes stories when the day is through? Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun.
Byron Wordsworth.
Jenny and Jackson, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun. Come on, be a story maker.
There you go, Christopher. Come on, everyone, it's time to go home. Here we go.
Story makers. Story makers. Story makers.
It's midnight in the library. Hello.
Time for all story makers to come out. Are you ready?
The sun is down, the stars are bright. Story makers come out at night. Hi, story maker. I'm Byron. Byron Wordsworth, here to make some magic and lots of stories.
Oh, hello. Do you like this noise? The children in the library were making lots of different noises with instruments like this. What's that noise? Oh. Hello, Jelly. What have you got there? What? I can't understand what you're saying. Oh, what a racket. Oh, I see.
That's better. I said, hello, Jackson, and you said, what's that? And I said, it's a kazoo. So that's what it is, a kazoo.
All right, well, it's very noisy. But then look who's blowing it.
I heard that.
Oh.
What's that?
Oh, this is a scraper. It makes a nice, gentle noise like this. It sounds like a storm.
That's right, Mr. Pink. I was playing like a cosmic storm.
Oh, Byron, that was so cool.
Can we make a noisy story, Byron?
Sure thing, my green queen. But what should we use, to make the story with?
Well, Jackson's zigga thing.
No. Jelly's kazoo.
No.
Yes, your kazoo.
No.
I guess this means it's going to have to be something of mine. This should do the trick. One drumstick for a noisy story. And you know what else we need, don't you? This story machine always needs a lot of imagination to make it work.
Yes.
And you can help.
Yeah.
Like this.
Imagine
a story. It's a playbook.
And it's called The Best Band in the Land. I'm the leader of the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. I'm the drummer in the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. I'm the strummer in the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. I'm the shaker in the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. I'm the clacker in the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. I'm the swisher in the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to my sound. We're the members of the band. We're the best in all the land. We are noisy, we are grand. Listen to our sound.
That was lovely. I would love to play in a band like that.
Oh, what instrument would you like to play?
I'll be the drummer.
I think I'd like to play something a bit quieter.
Oh, you mean like the strummer?
No, the other thing. It's a bit hard to remember when Jackson's being so noisy.
Sorry.
The thing I liked was the shaky thing.
Oh, yes, you could make one of those, couldn't you, Byron?
I dare say I could.
Here's a bottle.
Anything for you, my green dream. All right. We're almost there already. I could put some of these lentils inside.
What are lentils?
They're yummy. These ones look quite hard now, but when you cook them, they go all nice and soft. Right. This sounds like a shaky thing already.
I know, they're going down,
I think
down.
that's enough.
Hard lentils, soft lentils, hard lentils, soft
That's it.
lentils,
Put the lid on.
hard lentils.
And that's your shaker finished.
Oh, thank you, Byron.
No problem.
Shake, 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 shake.
I can't hear anything. It isn't working.
That's because
Shake. Oh.
you've too much competition. How's about a story?
Oh, yes, please, Byron.
I heard you say that, Jax.
But my stick. Oh, well, I'll use this.
Now, hit us with the magic words. Imagine, imagine, imagine a story. It's a rainforest story, and it's called Greedy Snake.
Deep in the forest, there are stories to tell of froggy, snake, bird, and monkey as well. Do you hear munching? Someone's crunching something sweet, so good to eat. It's Snake.
That storm today, oh, what a sound. But look what's fallen on the ground. These juicy figs, they look so fine. I must have some. They're truly divine.
So Snake gulps down the fallen figs. But watch out, Snake. Look out for twigs.
Oh, I love these figs and want some more, but a twig's got caught. My throat's all sore. Aha, just a moment. I have a plan. Proud Bird can help. Of course she can. With her beak, she can take out the twig and leave me room for another fig. Bird, so clever and so witty. Oh, bird, so graceful, so very pretty. Could you help a friend in need by doing just one tiny kind deed?
Now, Bird loves it when you flatter.
Why, of course. What is the matter?
As you can see, I cannot shout. A twig's got caught. It won't come out. But you, dear bird, could use your beak and pull that twig out with one swift tweak.
Now, Proud Bird really wasn't sure. She knew of Snake's tricks from before.
My head in your mouth. No, I think that I'd be eaten in a blink.
Please take out this twig, and I'll reward you with a juicy fig.
All right, then. Just open wide.
Bird's beak disappeared inside. And with one great tug, the twig came out.
Oh, hooray! More figs.
Snake gave a shout.
Some of those figs are meant for me. You said we'd share them for our tea.
Oh, silly bird, what a mistake to put your head inside a snake. Did you believe we had a deal? You couldn't so easily have been my meal.
Oh dear, Proud Bird, you can be vain. Never trust that snake again.
We're your friends, so we won't fuss. Just come and share our tea with us.
Your noisy stick got stuck in Snake's mouth, Jackson.
Ouch.
Yeah, I think there must be lots of noises in the rainforest, Byron.
Oh, yes, like drums.
No, not like drums.
Hold the drums, Mr. Pink. I'll show you what a real rainforest sounds like.
How?
Like this. Abracazoo!
Wow.
Lovely. It's just like being in a rainforest.
But what a big noisy mix.
Yes, right on. That's because all the sounds are happening at the same time.
Yeah.
Right, try this. Now, what does this sound like?
It's a bird.
Sultry.
Yes, sultry.
And this?
Oh, I know. It's a monkey.
Safe. Now, this one's harder.
Oh, right. Is it jelly with hiccups?
Don't be silly, Jackson. It's a frog, isn't it, Byron?
That's right, my sweet. Cosmic. Now put them all together and...
Oh, what a noise. I think I prefer my drumming.
I think I prefer a story. And I know just what we can use.
Oh, all right then.
Yeah.
One tappity-tappity story, please.
And you're going to need your imagination too.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Imagine a story. It's a blue cow story.
And it's called Tap Dancing Blue Cow.
In a field not so far away from you is a herd of cows grazing quietly. They munch and chew on the lush green grass and are just like any other cows you could find. But one of the cows is different from the rest. Blue Cow wonders what on earth is out there in the big wide world beyond her field. One day, Blue Cow was listening to the tap, tap, tap of the rain falling on the leaves. I wonder what it would be like to make a tapping noise with my feet. The other cows sighed and shook their heads. She's off again. I wonder, said Blue Cow. Well, I'll never know unless I go. So Blue Cow caught the bus that stopped beside her field. I'd like a return ticket to a place where I can tap, 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 please. There you go, madam. Hold very tight. And they set off for a theatre. And then they arrived. There were lots of people all in line. Tip-tap, tippity-tap, they all went as they danced together.
Are you here for the audition?
Said a small girl.
My name's Sophie Smashpot, and this is my friend Jenny Jampot. We're both dancers.
My name's Blue Cow, and I've never danced before.
We'll show you,
said Sophie, and they gave her a pair of shoes with metal pieces on the front and back to make a tapping noise. Tap, tap, tap went Sophie. Tip, tip, tip went Jenny. Bang, bang, bang went Blue Cow as she stood on two legs and tried to dance.
Try a little softer.
Tap, tap, tap went Blue Cow.
That's great, said Jenny. Now you're doing Irish tap dancing. Just remember to keep your arms down by your side.
OK, girls, said a voice. Time to audition for River Prance. I'm Gabby, the choreographer. First three, please. Jenny, Sophie and Blue Cow all stepped forward. Lovely Irish music filled the stage. Tippity-tappity-tap they all went in time with the music. Oh, fantastic, cried Gabby. Sophie, Jenny and Blue Cow tapped and jumped and jumped and tapped. In fact, Blue Cow was enjoying herself so much that she didn't notice the front of the stage. Tippity-tappity-tappity crash went Blue Cow as she fell off the stage. She cried. I think I got a bit carried away.
You all right?
Asked Sophie. Yes, thank you, but I think in future it might be better if I stayed on all fours, said Blue Cow. You'll never guess where I've been. Where have you been? I've been to a theatre where I learnt how to tap dance. Everyone knows cows can't go tap dancing. But we know they can, don't we?
Can you tap dance like Blue Cow, Byron?
Sure. It's all a question of rhythm. Oops, look. We better skedaddle.
Yeah, it's time all story makers were hidden away.
The children will be coming back to the library soon.
Dawn is upon us. The morning is nigh. We've made our stories, and we bid you goodbye.
Goodbye.
Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers,
Come back
story
soon.
makers, stories are fabulous, stories are
Thanks
fun.
for helping. Bye.
See you later, story maker.